Hello, it's Quan Eagle Mech Services. We're gonna upgrade the name, but just checking in. I haven't done no videos. Been kind of busy. So we got one more call. Change out inducer motor, Durham, North Carolina. So I don't know what's the easier way. Maybe you guys can give me some tips on that for the next one. But I just lift the right side, move the panel out, and got the junction box, the junction board out. And I got one more screw to get out, which is the bottom. So you got a tip on getting that bottom screw out because I had to get my socket set. But let me know. And y'all be safe out there. We're supposed to get some snow. Take care.